Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Epoca Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work. When we were diagnosing this machine, we found a bunch of spider webs, a bunch of bugs and a bunch of stuff, so we had to really clean a lot of that. It was a little bit creepy to be honest, but we definitely cleaned and cleared up all the cobwebs and spiders that were left inside the machine. Once we did that, we tested the machine and we find out that the water pump, this one that you see right here from 2013, was no longer working and no longer pushing water into the system. This hose that was attached to the water pump was also way too short, so we actually replaced it with a longer one and a much fresher and newer one than this one. We also replaced the gasket of the machine. Let me take this tray out. We also replaced the gasket of the machine. This gasket was just really in bad condition. Like this, the remains of the little gasket that you see right here, and as you can see, it's no longer a gasket, it's just a piece of hard rubber at this point. Gaskets should be bouncy like this, and as you can see on that one, it is not. Also, the shower screen was really clogged. There was a lot of coffee built up. This is after it got dry and everything, but this is the older shower screen. This is a new, sorry. This is a new shower screen, and if you compare the difference between the two, like, yeah, it's a lot. And this is after being here for a while, so it had lots of coffee grounds already in here. So yeah, we replaced that, deep clean that, back flush the group head, deep clean it as well. There was a lot of coffee build up inside. Descale this machine. There was a lot of scale build up, especially in some of the pipes. As you can see, this is one of the hot water valve assembly that was not closing. We had to replace that as well. You can see a lot of scale build up all around here. So that was basically inside the boiler and the heat exchanger, and we remove as much as we could. We run a bunch of descaler through this machine, run a lot of water to clear that, to clear the descaler as well. And yeah, that's all what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings to this machine. Otherwise, you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee very dripping. Also, we do not have the porta filter of the machine. We're using one of our newer porta filters from our Rancilio Silvia Pro. So, yep, here we go. As you can see, we got a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Good crema started forming at the top of this cup as well. And overall, not a bad shot. Of course, our coffee is super old, so we are not gonna get as much crema as we should have. But as you can see, we still got a very decent amount of crema coming out of the machine. That shot looks really good. You can see that crema on the side of it. Hot water of this machine now opens and closes up without any problem. You can see right here, steamer working perfectly fine, both the quick mode as well as the stay mode. So it really is, it has really amazing pressure, as you can see, really working beautifully here. And you can just to show you the water flow coming out of the group head. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working amazing. And there you have it, Rancilio Epoca working once again. So thank you so much for repairing my Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.